Mom, I don't want to walk anymore. You're coming into the store with me. Okay. I have to walk across
What
it.
you doing? Look at the acrobat. Look at that acrobatics.
Get down from there. You're gonna get hurt. I can't hear you from up here.
Did you come out this cage today?
That's a big jump. I gotta go for it.
Watch.
I gotta
Close
keep
close
going.
It. Close the door.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. Get up. You fell like 2 inches.
Hello?
I'm gonna live?
He was looking to pick the broom. Get back inside. Go back inside. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Why are you peeping?